Good morning children, welcome to the today video session ma. I hope that you are ready with your textbooks now ma. So don't waste the time, let's start the class. Open your textbook children, page number 20. Okay children, from Kozhikode to Thalassery. From Kozhikode to Thalassery. So okay children, Subodh is going, look at this boy ma, his name is Subodh. He is going to Kozhikode ma. So this is in this direction. So ma, that is which is 24 kilometers away. So where he is from, that one, it is 24 kilometers away ma. And this girl is Manjani. So she is Manjani and she is going to Thalassery ma. Okay ma, which is 46 kilometers away ma. So Subodh is going to Kozhikode and Manjani is going to Thalassery. So from this place Kozhikode is 24 kilometers away. Okay children, and from this place Thalassery is 46 kilometers away. So what is this question ma? Both are in opposite directions ma. This is Thalassery in this direction, Kozhikode is in this direction. How far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? How far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? These two people are standing here ma. So Subodh is going in this direction where he is going to Kozhikode. Okay ma, that is 24 kilometers away. And Manjani is going to this direction ma, going in this direction. She is going to where ma? Thalassery. Where ma? Thalassery. So that is 46 kilometers away. How much ma? 46. And he is asking the distance between Kozhikode and Thalassery. So we have to find out the distance. So this is 24 kilometers and this is 46 kilometers. So what you have to do, just add ma, simply add these two. We will get the distance between Kozhikode and Thalassery. 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. So what is the distance ma? How far is Kozhikode from Thalassery? 70 kilometer. Okay children, move to the next one. How far is your home from school? Do you ever find ma? Do you ever find that one? How far is your school from your home is from school? So look at this boy ma, he is Momun. What is his name ma? His name is Momun. What is his name? Momun. So he comes to school from very far, from very long distance he come to school ma. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. Look at this one ma, this is the pond ma. These are field and this is a road. This is his school ma, this is school. Okay ma, and this is his home here, maybe this one whatever, here his home was there. Okay ma, so first he walks about 400 meters to the pond. To reach a pond, this is the pond ma. To reach this pond, how many meters he walk ma? He walked 400 meters. Then with slipper in his hand, he hold his slippers in his hand and he walks 150 meters. How much ma? 150 meters through the pond. Maybe water is less in that one, that way he is capable to walk in that pond. Then he ran across the green field ma, that is the wide is 350 meters. How much ma? This is 350 meters. Okay children, so then carefully cross the road. So road is there. So how much ma? This is 40 meters. How much children? 40 meters. Carefully cross the road. Obviously ma, you have to cross the road carefully because vehicles are going on there ma. So whenever crossing the road, be careful ma. So look at this boy ma, he is making this much struggle to reach the school. Not only Momun ma, especially most of the people, most of the children ma, in the north and east contest place ma, they pay a lot of difficulty to come to school, but they are studying, they are learning. We are so lucky, we have a lot of facilities here ma. So what is his question ma? How much does Momun walk every day to reach school? So how much he walk ma? Here 400 meters ma. here 400, then 150, then 350, then 40 meters. Just add all ma. So 400, then 150, then 350 meters, then 40 meters. So what we get? 14, 1 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many meters ma? Daily every day to reach school he walks 940 meter ma. How much ma? 940 meter. Is it more than 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer means how many meters ma? 1000 meters. So 1000 meters is more than 940. So it is more than ma? No, it is not ma. It is less than. Okay ma? Move to the next page, children. This is your activity, children. You have to complete this one. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometers. So in the left hand side you have to write your friends' names ma. So distance of home from school, from the school, what is the distance between their school and home ma. So ask him and write the distance. Okay children, and after that one, after fill the table, you have to answer these questions ma. Who among you lives nearest to the school? So maybe Covid house is very close to our school na ma. Maybe Covid. Okay ma. Write your friends' names, collect from along between your friends ma. Who lives farthest from the school? Here I think so Covid only. His house is very close to our school na ma. Who lives farthest from the school? Maybe Rakesh, Hamsacha, they came from Chopella na ma. And Bhargav, Vaishnavi, they lives farthest from the school. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? So who lives less than 1 kilometer from our school ma? Okay ma, gather that information and complete here. Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometers away from the school? How do they come to school? So obviously ma, Rakesh is there, Bhargav, Vaishnavi, how they come to school? Rakesh come to school by an auto and Bhargav by bus. Okay ma, you can ask them and write here ma. Okay children, so this is our activity ma. You have to complete that activity. Okay children, guess and find out. Here you have to guess the answer and write that one. What is the first question ma? How long is the thread in a reel? So do you ever see a reel ma? So thread reel is there na ma. So how long it is ma? That is approximately always ma, the length of the reel is the length of the reel depends on the thickness. Depends on the thickness ma. If the thread is more thick, the okay ma, it's depend on, maybe it may be 50 meters, 100 meters and extra. Okay children, move to the second question. How long is the string of a kite? Do you ever play kite ma? So how long the string ma? How long the string reel? The kite reel ma? Can it be more than a kilometer long? Yes, obviously ma, it may be, it can be. Yes, it can be. How long it ma? It can be, a kite reel may be 500 meters. It's more than kilometers, so 1000 meter or 1500 meters. Okay ma. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread ma, so how long would that thread be? If the handkerchief is, how ma, they weave the threads ma in a rows and columns. Okay ma, like this one they weave ma in a rows and columns. then any cloth they made like this one ma. So if the handkerchief that is in a square or rectangle shape, this is a handkerchief, it is weaved by only single thread ma. So how long would that thread be? How long it would be ma? Maybe more than 5,000 meters. It may be more than 5,000 meters. Okay children, move to the next page. This is the last page of our chapter. I wish I were. A small poem is there ma. What is that poem ma? I wish I were, so that I could rise above those buildings' height. I wish I were a bird, so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud, so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane, so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. Okay children, this is the poem. First what he is saying, I wish I were a kite. If he were a kite, okay ma, so what he could rise above the building side. So the kite flies on the buildings ma. So then after that one, what he want ma, he want to become a bird. I wish I were a bird, so that I could fly. The birds are flying na ma, so where he want to reach above the kite, so he want to become a bird. And after become a bird, what he want to become, he want to become a cloud, so that I could move above those little birds. So he want to reach, now he want to become the clouds. After that one, what he want to become, I wish I were a plane, so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. About the clouds and hills, he want to fly high. First he want to become a kite, then he want to become a bird, then cloud, at last a plane. So in a poems ma, in a simple words, so they come with an intensity, with a depth ma, give big expressions in a simple words ma. Okay children, now let's try to find out ma. Below some questions are there. Which is the highest building that you have seen? About how many rooms high was it? Already we completed this one ma. In the textbook only we found na ma. What we found ma, which is the highest building ma? Qutub Minar. So I am writing that one, the Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar. About how many rooms high was it? How many rooms high was it is ma? How many ma? What we get? 24 rooms. Okay children, move to the second question. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than the Qutub Minar? Yes ma, obviously. How high can a kite go ma? It goes more than 100 meters. It goes more than 100 meters. So more than 100 meters. A kite can go more than 100 meters. And the Qutub Minar is how much ma? 72 meters high. More than 100 meters. So obviously can it go higher than the Qutub Minar? Yes. A kite can go higher than the Qutub Minar. Okay children, move to the third question children. How far can a plane fly? Do you ever travel in a plane ma? Have it fly higher than the Mount Everest? Can it fly higher than the Mount Everest? Can it fly higher than the Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers high? So children, what is the height of a Mount Everest ma? 8,848 meters ma. How much ma? 8,848 meters. That is approximately 9 kilometers. Okay children, so how high can a plane fly? plane fly more than 12 kilometers ma? Okay ma? More than 12 kilometers. Why? Because planes travel above the clouds and above the hills also ma. So obviously yes, it can fly higher than the Mount Everest. Yes, the plane can fly higher than the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest, and Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Okay children, the fourth one, have you ever seen clouds below you? Have you ever seen children, when you travel by aeroplane you can see that one. If you travel ma, if you see, if you ever travel right here ma. Yes, when we travel in an aeroplane, or if you never travel that one, write your answer like this one. No, I never saw clouds below me. You must choose your answer children. Children, by this ma, our second chapter textbook part is completed children. Go through that one, practice that one, oh, ma. Okay children, thank you very much ma.